Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of Turkish eggs or Cilbir. This is very simple to make and can be served for breakfast or brunch. Let's see how to prepare this Turkish eggs. In a mixing bowl, take 1 cup of Greek yogurt or hung curd. The curd should be unsour. Add in 1 tablespoon of finely chopped coriander leaf. In Urdu recipe, they used to add dill. Add in salt as needed. Usually they used to add garlic in it, but I'm going to add garlic in the chili butter. Mix everything nicely so that it combines well. Yogurt dip is ready now. Next I'm going to prepare the chili butter. For that, heat 1.5 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter melts, add in 2 chopped garlic. Usually garlic will be added in the yogurt dip, but I wish to saute it in butter. Now add in 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili flakes and 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Instead of chili powder, you can add paprika powder as well. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder and 1/4 teaspoon of jeera powder. I have taken unsalted butter, so I am adding 2 pinch of salt. If you are using salted butter means no need to add salt. Saute it for 1 to 2 minutes and switch off the flame. The chili flavored butter is ready now. While serving, I will be heating this butter again. Next, I am going to prepare the poached egg. For that, heat enough water in a pan and add in 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Once the water simmers, swirl it nicely like this using a wire whisk. Immediately drop in an egg. You could see the egg white covers the egg yolk. Cook it for 3 minutes in medium flame. Do not break the egg directly into the water. Take it in a smaller bowl and drop it gently. The water shouldn't be boiling hot while preparing poached egg. Poached egg will have a runny yolk, so do not overcook it. Poached egg is cooked perfectly. Now remove it from the water. Next, let's see how to assemble this Cilbir. Take a serving plate and line it with the yogurt dip. Turkish eggs has 3 layers, which is yogurt dip, poached eggs and the chili butter. Spread it gently and this serves as a bed for the poached egg. Now gently place in the poached eggs. Heat the chili butter slightly and drizzle it over the yogurt and the poached eggs. The measurement which I have shared can serve 4 adults. You can serve it with pita bread, toasted bread or Turkish breads. I have shared this Turkish bread in our channel and I will leave the link in the description below. Garnish it with coriander leaf or dill. This looks so beautiful and tastes really good. Do try this Turkish eggs and share me the feedback. I served it with toasted bread. If you try this recipe, share me the picture through my Instagram or Facebook account. You can serve this for breakfast or dinner. The texture of the poached egg is perfect. It has got runny egg yolk. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.